Hello everyone, today I will add coins to my game. Without any ado, let's start the video. This is the code I'm using for coins. You just need to add this to your coin sprite. I will leave the code file inside the description and you can use it. At this time, I'm just going to check if the coin is getting disappeared after collecting. Yes, it's working. Now we just need to add the sound when we collect the coin. I was looking for a very good sound on Unity as a store, but I could not able to find a good sound, so I just went to YouTube and downloaded the Mario coin collecting sound. I will leave a link to that video so you can download that video and extract the audio and use it in your Unity file. Coin sound is working very fine and I've also saved it as a prefab. After saving it as a prefab, now it's time to place the coins to the different area of the game. The coins has been placed to the various part of the game. Now it's time for the checking. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in next video.